Anytime when you're out in traffic, you don't know what's going to happen. You know, every time I come off the road there, it's been another good day.
The MnDOT truck station in Baxter supports 432 bridges, 20 public airports, and over 1,700 miles of highway. It was on one of these highways that Scott Gabrio was injured by a distracted driver during a road patch operation.
I'm Scott Gabrio from Baxter Maintenance in Baxter, Minnesota. And I started work here full-time 2001. I've been here 12 years, 10 months in Baxter shop.
A roadway patching operation includes a patching truck, maintenance personnel repairing asphalt on foot, and a safety truck in the rear. The safety truck serves two functions: directing traffic away from the work zone using flashing arrows and protecting the workers from being hit by a vehicle entering the work zone.
You know, I was like 300 feet behind my guys that were, you know, doing the work in front of me. So you're trying to keep your distance from the work zone to your front of your truck so nobody gets in between.
Scott was operating the safety truck when his truck was hit by an inattentive driver. Scott had to react quickly to avoid hitting the construction crew patching the road in front of him.
I remember when, you know, I knew I had to stop the vehicle, so I didn't go into my people in front, so I held onto the brake there and I pushed out the back windshield. Didn't break that at all with my head, and then my knee hit the dashboard and my chest must have hit the steering wheel and my shoulder with the harness of the seatbelt. That's all I remember. Kind of like it was so fast.
Over the past 3 years, there have been an average of 2,000 crashes and 7 people killed per year in Minnesota construction zones.
I'm JP Galach. I'm the Public Affairs Coordinator for MnDOT in District 3, which is central Minnesota. The proper way to drive in a construction zone is to recognize when you're approaching a construction zone and recognize you're entering a high-risk area. You're already doing about the most dangerous thing you're going to do from day to day, which is drive a vehicle on a road with other people. And when you enter a construction zone, you're entering an even higher risk area.
When entering a construction zone, slow down, be prepared to stop, and pay special attention to roadway signs and construction personnel. Watch for flaggers directing traffic through the area. These guidelines apply to all types of roads, from small city streets to large trunk highways.
Scott's story can teach anybody that work zones are dangerous places. And you just need to recognize that there's a whole lot of human factor in every work zone. So no matter how hard we work at making it safe, and no matter how well the work zone is set up, there's always a chance that something can go wrong. Bad things can happen in a hurry if you're not very careful.
Well, neck pain I had surgery on my neck, and then shoulder pain, chest pain, and then knee pain. It's daily routine, so can't let that bother me. I gotta work through it. Especially when you're in a crash, you're not 100% after that, so.
MnDOT works with counties, cities, and many other local agencies to ensure that construction zone safety is a collaborative effort between all Minnesota highway agencies. These agencies work with contractors to ensure that construction zones are used properly and set up correctly. But ultimately, construction zone safety is all of our responsibility.
But we're out there to fix the road and make it a little better driving for everybody. Every day I go home from here, I'm happy.